afternoon, everyone. We're here to do the reading of Great Uncle Bob's will today.
Did Uncle Bob die?
Yes, we've talked about this. He got blown up.
We never talked about this.
Yes, we did.
When?
Yesterday, this morning, on the way here.
We did.
Don't you remember any of the conversation we had?
No.
Not one little bit about him getting blown up by any of his own equipment.
I remember about the equipment, but nothing else.
So nothing about him dying.
No,
Do you take in anything we talk about?
not really.
Well, I'm not here just to hear you guys bickering. I'm here to get all the stuff in that entire treasure box and Uncle Bob's money.
No, I get the money.
No, if you get the money, you're just gonna waste it on stupid stuff.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
You're gonna go out and buy Lamborghinis.
No.
And buy
No.
Gucci and Louis Vuitton.
No.
Yes.
No.
Well, I'm the rightful heir to everything that great Uncle Bob's got.
No, I am.
No, I'm the one who's his favourite.
No, I am.
Well, who are you anyway?
Your cousin.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
You can't be.
Yes, I am.
Well, at least Uncle Bob promised me that I would get everything.
No.
Yes, he did. What did he promise you?
The money.
No, I don't think so.
Excuse me, but I have the latest will on Great Uncle Bob, and the fortune belongs to my clients here are the rightful heirs to collect the fortune.
Make sure you get that ring. That ring is mine.
No, it's mine. It's from Asian Egypt.
Oh, really? Who said so? Yeah, point exactly. Come on. Where's the money, Anna? The money's mine.
I don't have
I
it.
need the money to buy a KTM.
Oh, really? Big whoop.
Well, what is a KTM anyways?
Motorbike.
It sounds like some sort of radio or something.
It's the best bike in the world.
Anyways, I'm from Shady Lawyers Pty Limited, and I'm here representing Great Uncle Bob's great-great-grandsons.
Yeah, I'm the oldest and I get the most.
What are you talking about? I'm the youngest. I should get more.
I think that's enough with the bickering. I think it's time to get down to actually reading the will, what we're here to do. All right? So
Can we
everyone-
hurry up? I want my ice cream.
I told you, you have to wait.
But I want my ice cream now.
We just need to wait. We have to do this first, and then we will
Can
go.
I have something out of the box then?
No, there's nothing in there that you want. It's just junk. But we need to get on with it. Okay?
Besides, if you just give me the ring now, we could walk away and this could all be done.
What
Hey.
ring?
Hang on a second. If she's gonna get the ring, I should at least get my medal that I actually was there when Uncle Bob won it for a swimming carnival.
This dusty thing.
How about we just put this down and we actually read the will, all right?
Fine, but I'm still getting my ice cream.
Not if you keep that up, you won't be. Okay, now the will of Great Uncle Bob states that Nikki, who's Nikki?
I am. Now where's my stuff?
Oh, you're meant to get,
This?
oh, this lovely thing. You're meant to get his medal.
Is this all I get?
Well, that's all it says. Like, what else do you want? It's a medal. It's worth a lot of money.
Well, I want everything in that box. What about the bank accounts? What about the wallet? What about everything?
Hurry up.
Yes, well, she needs ice cream, okay? She's getting hot and bothered. Let's
Well,
just...
I don't care about the ice cream. I care about my money, my
Can we just hand out the
stuff
next
in
one?
there.
Yes, let's just hand out the next thing, okay?
Okay, but I'm getting everything.
Hold on, you shouldn't be giving stuff away that isn't listed on my book.
Well, it's not on your book because you are not the lawyer.
Yes, I am.
Not for this reading, you are
Well,
not.
we've been arguing for way too long. I've already lost one of my clients.
Well, clearly, he left because he knows he's not getting anything. Because he's not entitled to anything.
Yes, he is. It's stated on my side of the will.
Well, it's not on my paperwork for the will for you or your clients to get anything because you are not even related to Uncle Bob.
Hold on, I'm related to him. And look, even his birth certificate said.
Let me see that. That's a fake certificate. You told me you were related to him.
Well, I still want the ring.
Yeah, this is fake, but I won't tell anyone if you give me free ice cream.
Okay, How many scoops of what ice cream and what flavours?
11. And I want chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, bubblegum.
Excuse me. Are you seriously negotiating ice cream?
Yes.
No. I will get you all the ice cream you want, plus a new pair of shoes.
Fine.
Done. Right. Let's get on with it then.
What do I get?
What do you get? Who are you?
Bailey.
Okay. Bailey, you get the wallet.
I'll have a look at this.
So what are you going to spend your money on?
KTM.
KTM. What is that?
You have that.
What type of bike does it?
Electric start and off-road wheels.
That's the go.
Hey, why'd you steal my money? Cause I want to buy a nice new car. I want to buy a Toyota Hilux, and I'll also buy a new puppy. How about we split the money? Sure. I'll reason with that. Have that. Thanks.
Hold on, my client hasn't got anything yet, and in the will that I have right here, it states that Great Uncle Bob left the ring in that box there to Logan.
Yeah, it's just one tiny little ring. It's not worthy.
He knows about the ring?
What ring? Oh, this ring.
Yeah.
Well, I like this ring.
What does it say on the thing?
It doesn't say anything in the will about anyone called Logan getting a ring.
Let's see.
No.
Yes, it does.
No, that's not this ring. That's another ring. And look, there's no ring in there.
It means that ring.
Yeah, how could you steal it from me?
I didn't steal anything.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Why is there a ring on your finger?
There isn't.
Yes,
And
there
the
is.
will that I have, that I read earlier, stated that my client here has a ring in that box, which is on your which is on your finger.
There is no ring on my finger.
Yes, there was.
On the
It's
other
now,
hand.
It's in your other hand. And it even says in the book, he's meant to get this ring.
You've got way more. I've only got 5. I need some more.
No.
Yes, I do.
No, you should not even have money in the first place.
Well, I need more because I've only got 5. You've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Doesn't matter?
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
It does because this isn't gonna get me an Land Cruiser, is it?
Do you really need a car?
Do you need your motorbike?
Yes.
Well, I think Logan should just have this ring because I don't want it.
This is not the diamond ring I wanted.
I'm suing.
Me too.
Yeah, we're suing.
You haven't even paid me yet, though.
We're going to 25 hours worth.
So,
Oh, whoa. I should pay you with this.
what do you think?
I think you should be grateful you've got anything at all, considering you weren't even in the will.
So,
Well, so be happy with what you've got and walk out.
Nah.
Well, I think this is just all settled up really nicely, and I'm going to take what's left, and I'm out of here. I think that's enough.
What about the coin?
No.